Say hey.
Stop getting me on the damn camera.
Yeah, we made it to the car. Oh my god. This is ridiculous.
Pretty gang, free game for the show. Just let me know if you wanna go. Got a ticket for the flight, yeah. Going up for the night, yeah. Sauced up by the sight,
Yeah, she do not like the camera. But what's up, superstar gang? And it's Dimple, your girl. We're back with another video. What we doing, Rara?
Shopping in the house.
Girl, y'all don't worry about what Rara talking about. This is the beginning of a series. Nene's going to homecoming this year for the first time, a public school dance. We're gonna take y'all through the process with us, and y'all get to experience her getting ready for homecoming. Y'all gonna see different clips throughout, so enjoy.
Where's the good lighting? Okay. So guys, we're on our way to go shopping for my homecoming dance in 6th grade on October the 12th.
Oh, sorry, Nene.
Is it? Really? Hey, why are you drinking my stuff? She be spitting my stuff.
I got my food stamp home. It is what it is. You're cute still. I like your outfit, Rara. I bet you're cute.
Alright guys, right now we're on the road. Say hey, Rara. Hello, what's up, guys? Alright.
Emotional, y'all don't mind me, I'm mad. Here, you know? I'm gonna go find this fresh.
Don't play with a dog, be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back in the better.
We round here with the easy tags and stuff. Cause this one got it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see the sign so y'all know it's real.
Throw it off.
I'm about to drop this camera. Violators prosecuted. Yeah, ain't no sun out. It sucks. The weather sucks today. I just hope it don't pour down raining until we get back. You know, we all in our destinations. You know what I'm saying? In the rain. I don't want to see it until. Dang, it's dark. I'm sorry, guys. All right, we in the vicinity of where we're going. Back home. Look at these clouds, baby. Oh Lord, Houston, we got a problem. We need the sun back ASAP.
How dark it is, y'all. Oh my Lord.
Don't do that, right? You're gonna hurt your finger.
Finna hurry up and find parking so we can get in here.
Yeah, somebody leaving. Get about the spot then, little daddy.
Come on, please.
Hurry, sirs. Hurry, sir.
Come on now.
Oh my Lord, they can't drive, y'all. Look at them here.
Hurry up and get in here because I don't want to get rain on.
We in this thing.
Grab the umbrella, let's get in here.
Alright, I
I have my big old purse that don't even match my outfit, but oh well. Ouch. I got it. Yeah, I'm okay, baby. Yeah, I'm good. Thank y'all.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Run, we need to run.
Come over here. Hold my hand. Hold on, let me switch. Hold the camera. Come on. Get in here in the middle.
So, we're here at Macy's. I've turned the camera around so you can see. Right there, Macy's.
Right there.
I just felt a raindrop. We need to hurry up and get inside. Ouch, that hurts. I said ouch.
What is that?
I was about to say ooh and then I said ouch.
You was about to say ooh and then ouch.
Uh-huh.
And then you say ooch.
That's 2 words combined.
Come on. I'll be behind you. Need to be a model, long leg. Oh yeah, that's how you feel. Uh-oh, we're at the dresses section. She said, hey, where's my? Let me see. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty.
Yeah, but it's not appropriate. I need
It's purple too. That's pretty.
Yeah, we could get a
I was about to say maybe we can get something to put over your shoulders. That's beautiful. Beautiful. You gotta try it on at least.
Budget is $100.
budget $100.
Yeah, right. That's a cute dress, Nene.
That's long.
You like long?
It's 11-12.
That's too big. No. Let me see. Oh, too bad she can't wear nothing like that. That is very cute. What you doing, Bye-bye? Come on, stay over here with us. Stay over here with us.
I gotta look at it.
Nah, that's not cute.
Yes, this is
That's
just
cute.
2.
You have to find the right size first.
So 1 and 2, we're gonna try to find 3 more and
Oh yeah?
yeah.
You gotta think about the tops of those dresses though and how they're gonna fit on you. That is very cute. Oh, I see. That's cute though. You okay?
Come on, stay with us. What we doing? Stay over here.
This is a 0.
Ooh, that's gorgeous. I like that.
Option 3, guys.
Option 3.
And we need 2 more.
I knew they had a good selection.
Yeah. Macy's be on it. No, Nene.
Oh.
Nah. Come on this side, girl. They got a sale. I spy 25% off. Why is it not focusing? Come on, focus. That's cute. We made it to the fitting room.
Yes, and as I try these on, I'm gonna be walking out
Yes.
the fashion show.
You so silly. Oh, you just go in, Nene. Go ahead, baby. And just come on back out. If you need help, just holler at us. Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna try this one thing on.
Okay. Found somewhere to sit the camera.
Okay.
Okay, see it. Okay, let's see. And that is number 1. Look, you gotta go right here in front of the mirror. Ooh. Robert, can you move? Go sit down. Robert, get out the camera. That's what it is.
I like this girl.
It's very cute. Look at that. How cute is that? That is gorgeous. That's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Show them your picture.
Look, guys. I wish I could find a dress.
You don't need no dress, Robert. You ain't going to no school dances no time soon.
I think my brother did.
Open it up. So don't do it. That's pretty.
Thank you.
That's cute.
Oh, everybody's trying to go.
I see.
Last minute.
Which one you like more?
You get the last pick.
She thought everything was number 1, but we have to
Still.
And all this stuff. So
Okay, go ahead. I like that better. Yes, that's cute, right? This is super
what do you think
cute.
about that one, Nene?
It's alright. It's just tight.
This is filled. This looks like it's tight right here.
Yeah.
Turn around.
I would come to a 10, you know.
It's super cute, but yeah. Let me understand. So,
You know what we
this is her 3rd choice. Very cute, but she said it's very tight. Yeah, it's super cute though. Go ahead. Go to number 4, honey.
Yeah.
So,
picked up. Come see.
this is outfit of the day for me. While she's trying on her clothes, I thought I would show y'all what I have on. It's like a romper, halter top,
We're shopping for dresses.
and
For homecoming.
little hollow shorts, little belt,
Yeah.
and my
Wait
little
till
white
she come out
shoes.
with the next one. She looks so cute, Mom.
Tell I'm vlogging, so she gonna see
Laura
it.
say she's vlogging, so you gonna see it on there.
Subscribe to my YouTube so y'all can see the video. There's always tomorrow. Right, let's see.
Look.
Hey, Granny.
Let's see. Let me see that. That's really cute. I like that one too. I still like number 1 more. The best. That's still super cute though. That's gorgeous on you. That's gorgeous on you. I like that color too. They trying on dresses too.
It goes for my chocolate.
I like it, but it's loose up there. Yeah, it's loose. Okay, you can go to the next one.
Not mine.
What you working with?
The material is good. It's just the tag.
Oh, the tag. Oh, it's super cute. That's cute. Oh, dresses, right? She likes those. So you about to subscribe to the channel, girl? Hey, we got a new superstar, y'all. So there's always tomorrow. Right. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Okay, make sure you comment and stuff, girl. So y'all good? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
The hard part.
See, get your umbrella, Candy. Of course, you're gorgeous, so anything's gonna look cute on you. Like us, like it runs in the family. We'll be back.
Can we put some of them?
Do I have a quarter, first of all? I don't know if I got a quarter. Let me see. I got 1 quarter. She asked. She did. Y'all can split it, matter of fact. I'm bite it. Why? You don't like red?
I like it, but she's just gonna be fun.
Let me bite it in half.
So it was already on sale in the edition. Okay, I'll take that.
You ain't supposed to be getting no dress, girl.
No.
Come on, Rara.
No.
Come over here. I should have took a piece of that gum. That was good. I like tasting it. It was good. We don't. We don't be in the malls like that.
I'll probably ever come to the
Yeah. I'm scared. You gonna have to go to the car and come up here and pick us up. Man, Bray is cute. Yeah. Hey. You can let it go. You don't want to ball it up, wrinkle. There you go. It's fun. Yeah, look at the rain from in here. I don't think you can see it from over here. Yeah. This one gotta use the restroom. We about to go.
I have to.
Give me. Rain, rain, go away. What you doing? She coming. We finna get in this car. Yeah, we made it to the car. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Look at this water coming down, y'all. We made it to the car though, and we rolling out. You all right, Nene? Right, straight. Seatbelt, seatbelt. Buckle them up, buckle them up, buckle them up. Me too. This hurricane season needs to just go ahead and go ahead about its business. We done with you. We had enough with Harvey last year.
I know.
Had enough. We praying to God we make it safe. Sorry. Okay, bam.
Baby. Yeah, you can snooze if you wanna, but not on me, baby. And no, I ain't taking no loss. Yeah, I got heat, baby.